Yeah. I mean, so the some of the techniques we use today is exactly what we use. And then in terms of platforms, yeah, Mural's great. I mean, if someone had asked me 2 years ago to run a workshop, virtually or online or whatever, I would have thought, are you mad? Um, and but I've been so impressed, and so have some of my colleagues, on how well these platforms work. They've been fantastic. I miss face to face, but these are awesome. And so all we do is we prep people, because Mural can be, it's new to everyone. So we'll send out instructions, get them to log in. They can get a free login. They don't have to buy one of the packages. And then what we'll also do, if we don't have a facilitator in each breakout room, which we often don't, we then have a designated Mural expert from, the client's team. And we've given them a bit of extra training up front, so then they can troubleshoot and that for people. But yeah, once you're in there and you play around with it a bit, it's pretty quick to pick up.